I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Passkeys. Passkeys represent a significant leap in online security, offering a robust, passwordless login experience for your Coinbase account. They replace your traditional password with a unique cryptographic key stored securely on your device. This means enhanced protection against phishing and other cyber threats, as you won't need to type in a password that could be intercepted. It's a simpler, faster, and much more secure way to access your digital assets, making your online experience smoother and safer. Setting up your Coinbase Passkey is a straightforward process designed for ease of use. First, access your security settings within the Coinbase app or website. Look for the option to enable passkeys and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll then use your device's native authentication, such as a fingerprint, face scan, or your device's PIN, to create and store the passkey. This process securely links your device to your Coinbase account, usually taking less than 1 minute to complete, providing immediate security benefits. Logging into Coinbase with a passkey is remarkably simple and efficient. When you visit the login page, just enter your email address as usual. Instead of being asked for a password, your device will prompt you to authenticate using your registered passkey. This means a quick fingerprint scan, face recognition, or entering your device's PIN. There's no password to remember or type, and often no separate two-factor authentication code needed, streamlining your access to your account in just a few seconds. Managing your passkeys is easy and flexible. You can view, add, or remove passkeys directly from your Coinbase security settings. If you happen to lose a device with a passkey, don't worry. You can still access your account using another registered passkey or through Coinbase's standard account recovery procedures. For any questions or technical assistance, the Coinbase Support Center provides detailed information and help. We recommend setting up passkeys on at least 2 trusted devices for maximum convenience and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.